see, this is the 2019 Jeep Sahara version. So I did change out my whole entire suspension. I changed the shocks, the coilovers, and the steering wheel stabilizer. I took it off, and I also took my end links, my shocks. So I went with Rough Country leveling kit. So I went with the 2.5 Rough Country suspension. So as you can see, I installed the coilovers and the dual steering wheel stabilizer. I did this all by myself, and these are the shocks. As you can see, 2.5, and this is how it's sitting. As you can see, sitting pretty nice. So I changed both the front and the rear suspension. So far so good. I did install the rear suspension, and as you can see, Rough Country. I did install the coil springs by myself.